Hey, Claudia and Alan. I'm just shooting this video for you via my phone off of my laptop, just in case you couldn't open it up in those files, because I know there was issues before. But anyway, you can slow this down, pause it. Of course, you know what to do. There's the back deck there, but no rails yet. Front looks cool. It does go pretty quick, so you want to pause it wherever. There's the lower entrance of the ceiling by the kitchen and the main door. And then you'd have a normal kind of height of the kitchen over that window. And master bedroom. This incident is a painful reminder that members of the Canadian Armed Forces undertake great risk to defend Canada, whether in combat or in training. And we owe them our deepest gratitude. This is the guest room. No closet. Nice bathroom, nice shower. Heading downstairs, full basement. Yeah, kitchenette there. Laundry. Bathroom. Which have involved the following: 110 Canadian Armed Forces members on shore and on water, including... There's a TV over there, Alan, on the far right, but... Engineer Regiment, and RCAF Search and Rescue Technicians, an OPP Marine Unit... Done.